Bonjour. In this video, we shall learn about French verb conjugation. We shall learn how to conjugate French aya and re verbs. This conjugation shall only be in the present tense. Verbs with infinitives ending in aya form a second group of regular verbs in French, often called the second conjugation verbs. To conjugate these verbs, drop the ir from the infinitive and add the second conjugation present tense endings. is, it, and then as it's pronounced, ils sont, isse, and is. This is according to the subject. First person singular, second person singular, third person singular, first person plural, second person plural, third person plural. The singular and plural forms of the third person are clearly distinguishable. Here's an example. The verb finir, to finish. Je finis, tu finis, ils ont fini, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent. The past participle is fini. You can see everywhere the ir is removed from the infinitive and then the endings are added according to the subject. Among the verbs that may be conjugated in a similar way are choisir, m'écrire, réfléchir, établir, merci, réunir, grandir, obéir, réussir, grossir, réagir, vieillir. However, not all verbs ending in aya follow this pattern. There are some irregular aya verbs, which include some important ones such as ouvrir, partir, sortir, and dormir. Ouvrir meaning to open, partir to leave, sortir to go out, and dormir to sleep. Most of the French aya verbs are regular verbs which conform to the previously discussed rules for conjugation. However, there are a number of irregular aya verbs. About 50 irregular aya verbs exist in French, and they have only 16 conjugations in all. Most of these fall into just three groups. The first group is like the verb partir. This group includes verbs such as consentir, départir, dormir, and endormir. The second group consists of verbs that end in WLIA, FRIA, or VRIA, and almost all are conjugated like regular ER verbs. Couvrir, cueillir, découvrir, entrouvrir. In the third group, verbs such as tenir and venir and their derivatives follow a shared conjugation pattern in the present tense. However, there is a major difference in the compound tenses. Venir and most of its derivatives use être as the auxiliary verb, while tenir and its derivatives use avoir. There are some wildcards. These aya verbs do not follow any pattern. You just have to memorize the conjugations for each verb separately. However, they are among the most frequently used verbs. So it's quite important to memorize them. Acquérir, asseoir, avoir, conquérir, courir. Out of this, avoir is the most important verb, where you have to learn the conjugation and memorize it, because avoir is used in many other different cases. Re verbs. To conjugate an re verb, remove the infinitive ending and then add the appropriate endings. In the next table you will find the present tense conjugations for the regular re verbs descendre, perdre, and vendre. You can see the endings for the regular re verbs are s. In the third person singular there is no ending. then ONS, EZ and ENT. So for descente, je descends, tu descends, il en descend, nous descendons, vous descendez, il elle descend. For perdre, je perds, tu perds, il en perd, nous perdons, vous perdez, il elle perd. For vendre, je vends, tu vends, il en vend, nous vendons, vous vendez, il elle vend. The last ENT of the third person plural remains silent, and you'll notice that the singular pronunciations are the same for all three persons. For example, for descente, je descends, tu descends, and il en descend. Similarly for perdre, it's perd. For vendre, it's vend. Regular RE verbs share conjugation patterns in all tenses and modes. French regular RE verbs are a small group of French verbs which share a conjugation pattern. In the next table you will find some common regular RE verbs. Attendre, défendre, descendre, entendre, étendre, fondre, pendre, perdre, prétendre, rendre, répandre, répondre, vendre. Verbs like roam are conjugated in the present tense like regular RE verbs, with one exception. In the third person singular, the ending is T. Je romps, tu romps, il en rompt, nous rompons, vous rompez, il elle rompt. Similar verbs include corrompre, interrompre, and rompre. Verbs like QE. All verbs that end in UIRE, DIRE, FIRE, and LIRE are conjugated in the present tense by dropping RE and adding S to the plural forms. They take the same endings as given earlier. Je cuis, tu cuis, il cuit, nous cuisons, vous cuisez, il elle cuise. The second person plural forms of dire and redire in the present tense are vous dites and vous redites. All other conjugations follow the above pattern. Verbs like écrire. All verbs that end in CRIRE are conjugated in the present tense by dropping RE and adding V to the plural forms. Otherwise, they take the same endings as earlier. J'écris. The apostrophe comes if the next word begins with a vowel or H. Tu écris, il en écrit, nous écrivons, vous écrivez, ils écrivent. As you can see, the plural forms have V. Verbs like craindre. All verbs that end in AINDRE, EINDRE, and OINDRE are conjugated in the present tense by dropping the D in all forms and adding G in front of N in the plural forms. They take the same endings as above. Je crains, tu crains, il en craint, nous craignons, vous craignez, ils craignent. You can see in the plural forms a G is added. Verbs like met. All verbs that end in TTRE are conjugated in the present tense by dropping the second T in all singular forms. J'en mets, tu mets, il en met, nous mettons, vous mettez, ils mettent. However, verbs that end in BATTRE have a different past participle and therefore different passé simple and imperfect subjunctive conjugations from verbs that end in met. Verbs like prendre. Prendre and all of its derivatives are conjugated in the present tense by dropping the D in all the plural forms and doubling the N in the third person plural. Then adding the regular RE endings. Je prends, tu prends, il en prend, nous prenons, vous prenez, ils prennent. Verbs like connect. All verbs that end in "-et", except "-net", are conjugated in the present tense as follows. First, drop TRE in all forms and use these irregular endings. You have to note the addition of a circumflex accent, l'accent circonflexe, in the third person singular. Je connais, tu connais, il en connaît, nous connaissons, vous connaissez, ils connaissent. Here are some completely irregular RE verbs. Knowing the earlier patterns will allow you to conjugate the vast majority of irregular verbs except the following ones. Boire, clore, conclure, exclure, inclure, occlure. Coudre, croire, absoudre, dissoudre, résoudre, distraire, être, faire, défaire, parfaire, refaire. Montre, naître, plaire, déplaire, rire, sourire, suivre, poursuivre, sortir, vivre, survivre. Out of all these, the verbs which you now see in bold are the ones which are most important. Boire, to drink, croire, to believe, être. This is the most important verb. To be. Faire, to do or to make. And if you know how to conjugate faire, you will know the next three verbs as well. Rire, to smile, to laugh. If you know rire, then you will know sourire. Suivre, to follow. Poursuivre is exactly the same as suivre. Sortir, to keep quiet. Vivre, to live. If you know vivre, you will know survivre. So these verbs in bold are the ones whose conjugation you have to learn. And out of these, être is the most important one. This brings us now to the end of this video. Merci, au revoir.